Hello and welcome to Makula. My name is Shehroz, and today we'll be looking at how engineers can fill out maintenance reports or procedures, as they're called in Makula, through the mobile app. After logging into the app, engineers simply need to navigate to the work order, then to the procedures tab, and attach the procedure they want to fill out. These procedures can be set up, templates can be configured through the web version, and there are a number of different types of fields that can be created within the procedure. To start the procedure, simply go into the attached procedure and start filling out different fields. This one, as you can see, is a member dropdown where I'm going to select myself since I'm the technician carrying out the maintenance, a date field to specify which day the maintenance is being carried out. This is a simple text field where I'm describing what work I'm doing, maintenance of the machine, as an example. This is a parts field, which fetches parts directly from the asset on this procedure so that I can mention any parts that I am attaching or replacing. A number field so that I can take readings from the machine. Let's say this is 560. Image fields so that you can upload images from your mobile phone or simply snap a photo of the machine in front of you. Once a picture has been added, you can click Upload Files and it appears within the procedure. There is then a checklist that I need to go through to mark everything that I've completed during this maintenance. So I check the oil, I replace the coil, I perform deep cleaning, and let's say I did a dry run of the machine. Once all of this is done, again, there is another member field over here for me to specify my supervisor that was there with me overlooking the maintenance. Let's say it was George. Once all the fields are complete, you can see the button, the finalize button is active, and I can now finalize this procedure. It then gets attached to the work order and directly to the machine history so that you can always come back and look at what was performed on the machine. As soon as I finalize it, all the fields become inactive and I cannot make any changes to this procedure. I can of course work with procedures offline, as you can see over here, save offline. I can download a PDF, and any procedures that are filled out offline, you can see at the top over here, you have 2 unsynced items. As soon as I'm connected to the internet again, all I need to do is click Sync Now, and they will be available across the web as well. If you're looking for other features, please feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.